We are leaving for Lake Cumberland today. It's about 4 hours from our house, 3.5, 4 hours. Actually, probably 5 hours because of the camper. Today is 4th of July, baby.
Want to go Lake Cumberland? Yeah? Chaz has no idea what's going on.
Chaz has his little thing on. There you go, buddy. Ooh, I am 4th of July ready. I think one of them's chipped. Ignore that one. All right, let's get this show on the road, bitches. And we were smart this time. We lined up the hitch last night so that we didn't have any stupid moments, you know? I'll show you the part I was talking about in my last vlog that we fight with for like an hour. Is this stupid part. It won't go down. This is supposed to go like down in there, but it won't go down in there. So I think we have to stop for ice and then we're on our way. Oh my God, you're never gonna believe what just happened. Basically, our campsite was too sloped. We didn't want to have to, like, you know, incline it up or whatever. So it said there was a loop down here. So we figured we could come down here and loop around. So we got stuck. So we came down here to loop around. And anyway, our camper got stuck. We've been stuck. We literally had to move these people's camp around, move all their shit around to pull through their campsite. Yeah, first few minutes of Cumberland is quite the shit show. After a long, hectic day yesterday, it was just a shit show, man. It was crazy. Now at least we can laugh. But today we have rented a fun tune. That's what they call it, a fun tune. And we have that, I think, for like, I don't know, 6 to 8 hours, something like that. And that'll be nice. Then we're going to have dinner at the marina. So we're going to make this a much better day than yesterday. But right now we're heading to meet my Mom and stepdad at the lodge for breakfast. We're in a $10,000 a weekend. That's just 2 nights. Yacht. They're letting us just look at it. Look at this shit. That was the entrance right there. Just all this. Look at this fridge. It is huge. All of that. There's a downstairs. Wow. That's a big ass bed. Why are these beds so big? Like tall. being really nice and letting us on her boat. Should we take our shoes off? No?